Hello friends, today we are going to see class 10 second chapter quadratic equation, the important chapter and the important subtopic of this chapter, formula for solving quadratic equation. Definitely board exam, definitely in board exam we are going to see at least one question of this type. Solve the given quadratic equation by formula. Very easy formula it is, and the very easy type of sum it is. So let's see what is formula and what is quadratic equation, what is its formula for solving, and how we are going to solve it. Here in this lecture we are going to solve these two equations in practice set 2.4 from your textbook. Okay, now first of all we are going to see what is quadratic equation is. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is standard format for the quadratic equation. Why it is called as quadratic equation? Because the maximum power of the variable in this equation is 2. So it is said to be a quadratic equation. So friends, solving equation is nothing but finding out the value of variable. Is it clear? So we have to here find out a value of x. It is nothing but a variable. For finding this value of variable, we have given a formula for that. There are various type of methods to solve this kind of equation. From that, the formula method is one of it. So in this lecture particularly, we are going to see the formula, by formula how we can solve the quadratic equation. We are directly going to write here the formula, and how it derived already it is given in your textbook. We can see that one, but the questions are not asked on it. The questions are directly for solving the equation using the formula. Now what is formula? As it is a quadratic equation, the variable has two values means the equation has two roots. Because it is a quadratic equation, the values possible values of variables are 2. So formula is also made by such a way the roots of equations are alpha and beta. They are said to be alpha and beta. One root is alpha and other root is beta. Okay, now formula for getting the value of alpha or beta means two values of x which are alpha and beta. The formula is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, this is formula for alpha or beta. We can say that formula for alpha is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac and upon 2a, and for formula for beta will be minus b square minus 4ac. Here in these two formula only single difference, the sign is different in value of alpha and beta, the sign after minus b. Okay, so unitely we can write or recite this formula of for quadratic equation, finding the roots of quadratic equation. Our first equation is y square plus 1 upon 3 y is equal to 2. Can we compare these two equations? This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form. We have to compare these two equations, but we can see the constant term is at the right side of equal to sign. So first of all we have to take it at the left side of equal to sign. For that, first step is y square plus 1 upon 3, and don't bother for here it is fraction or what, just tackle it as a number. 1 upon 3y minus 2. When this 2 come at another side, it will become minus, it will become negative because the sign of 2 at that side is positive. So when it come another side, left hand side, it will become it will become negative, is equal to 0. Now we can compare our standard form of quadratic equation and this equation, but there is one problem: the fraction, the denominator. To eliminate this denominator, we have to multiply whole equation by 3. So next step is, for just vanishing this denominator, we have to multiply all whole equation by 3. Multiply whole equation by 3, then we will get, if we multiply y square with 3, we will get 3y square, plus when we multiply 1 upon 3 with 3, we will get only y, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and minus 2 into plus 3 will get minus 6, and 0 into 3 remains 0. Now this is the equation we can compare with our standard form of quadratic equation. By comparing with standard form, we can get value of A, value of B, and value of C. So can you tell what is the value of A when we are going to compare, this equation and this? For the sake of understanding, I am writing here the standard format. What is A? A is x square's coefficient. So what is y square's coefficient? It is 3. So value of A is 3. Value of B, that is here, coefficient of y is nothing. We cannot see anything here. So here is a 1 as a coefficient of y. So value of B is 1. Now value of C is minus 6, not just a 6. The students are, most students making here mistakes. They are not taking sign with the value of C, because sign has to consider with that number. So value of C is minus 6. Whenever we can see here in standard format, here is a plus sign, and if in our equation the number has a minus sign, then we have to take it here. Okay, these are the three values, A, B and C. Now we can use our formula. B square minus 4AC, B square minus 4AC. We have to calculate value of this discriminant. So what is the value of B? It is 1. So 1 square minus 4. What is the value of A? It is 3. We can write here 3. What is value of C? It is minus 6. So minus 6. Square of 1, 1, and minus 4 into 3 minus 12, here minus 6 it remain. So 1 minus 6 into minus 12 will get plus 72, and it will become 73 now. Okay, the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac, this value we have to calculate firstly and then put in the formula. Now what is our formula? First of all, value of alpha minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. What is value of b? Value of b is 1, so we can here write minus 1 plus under root 73, because value of b square minus 4ac is 73 only, upon 2a. 2 into a, value of a is 3, 2 into a, 2 into 3. Alpha, one of the root, its a value now will be minus 1 plus under root 73 upon 6, and this is our final answer. We cannot calculate further, so we have to stop here, and this is our final answer, and it is one of our roots of this equation. Now beta, another root, the formula for it is minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here just we have changed the sign after minus b, it is minus. Let's put the values of a, b and c here, or minus b is minus 1 minus under root 73 upon 2a, it is 6. So value of beta is minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6, and value of alpha is minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6. By this way we can solve step by step any quadratic equation for its roots alpha and beta. So students, if you like video, just press the like button, and for more such videos subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.